this is Sana and this is Ayub. We will be discussing our chosen topic, which is fashion industry and how recession is being affected. We will be talking about two businesses, which are Debenhams and Primark, and how fashion industry is being affected as a whole.
The fashion industry and recession. No industry has been spared by global recession, not even the fashion industry. This industry that compromises various enterprises functioning in clothing, footwear, home furnishings, and fashion accessory markets is also bearing the financial meltdown. The eagerly awaited for fashion shows are getting cancelled. Many big names in the fashion industry have filed for bankruptcy, and many others are negotiating for a takeover or partnership deal in order to help their finances. Jobs are being removed from companies, and governments are being asked to bail out these companies. The fashion industry is focusing on individuality and innovation. The fashion businesses are following the changed patterns of consumer spending habits and offering them value-added services for protecting their gross margin and trying to prevent losses, optimize prices, and manage their inventory systems efficiently. Private labeling has all of a sudden become more common. Private labels provide higher margins, increased flexibility, and capability of responding fast to changes in fashion trends. Direct retail channels are being established and managed by stronger brands as it gives them a tighter control over brand identity. However, weaker brands are looking for opportunities of becoming private label suppliers to retailers. The upcoming markets of Eastern Europe, South America, and Asia are presenting new growth opportunities in the wake of already saturated US and Western European markets. The companies committed to environmentally friendly products and process are and will be far ahead of their competitors. Apart from it, the companies that offer customized fashion through online templates are also in a positive stand as the savvy technology consumers demand fashion tailored to their individual lifestyle needs. All said and done, the fashion industry is hoping to survive and build instinctive relationships with their customers.
We will be using Debenhams and Primark as an example of fashion industry and recession. Primark is a retailer supplying clothes with simple design and fabric in popular sizes, then selling them at low prices. In recession, the fashion industry companies will likely to be in shortage of cash.
Okay, here is Debenhams. Debenhams is a well-known retailer who has opened in many stores in UK. Debenhams has 153 stores across UK and Ireland and also has 48 international franchisee stores in 17 countries. They sell designers clothing, accessories, cosmetics and houseware. Debenhams' top competitors are House of Fraser, John Lewis and Marks Spencer. Test 2 analysis. Political. Due to recession, tax policies have increased and businesses are finding it difficult to pay tax. Less amount of population are buying clothes since the budget has increased and people cannot afford to buy goods. This means that people's businesses are being affected and they are not earning enough money. Economic. Due to recession, it is very difficult to persuade customers to buy goods that are put in the market at a higher price. If goods are being sold at a lower price, it is very difficult for a business to pay expenses and salaries. Social. Social is an important part of fashion industry as it relates to people's lifestyle, customers' behavior and expectation. It is essential that a variety of designs are produced so that they can continue to keep their business going on. However, people are looking for cheaper goods and also their salaries are being affected by recession and companies are not increasing bonuses. Technological. Fashion industry are finding new ways to develop technology and new ways that fashion can be improved. Due to recession, businesses are unable to pay loans that they have borrowed as tax has increased. For example, when equipment is being shipped into another area, businesses will have to think about the cost. Legal. Legal is an important part of fashion industry as businesses will have to follow rules and regulations such as competition regulation. Due to recession, things have changed and people are struggling to reach legal requirements in producing fashion goods, which adds on extra cost. Environmental. Fashion industry looks at environmental where they see that they can make a difference to customer expectations. Due to recession, businesses are seeing themselves at risk. To reduce costs, companies are recycling goods such as garment bags.
SWOT analysis of fashion industry. The strength of fashion industry. In recession, fashion industry is doing well in London, France and Italy due to their steady market. Weaknesses. In fashion industry, companies are not confident, which is leading to cancellation of events and planned opportunities. Private labeling. Major brands such as Nike, Armani, Diesel can cut off retailers who once used to be their customers. This helps major brands to retain brand identity and gain tighter control. Threats. The fashion industry are being blamed for weight and eating disorders. Lack of cash due to recession.
Analysis. Supply power. There are many suppliers around the globe, such as Primark, that purchase their goods in the East because it is much cheaper. Therefore, the supplier who supplies to the fashion industry is not very influential in the terms of prices. Buying power. In recession, the buying power tends to be stronger because of the customers now spending less. Therefore, this forces companies to bring their clothing prices down. Competitive rivalry. Recession brings more tough challenges to the fashion industry since the customer spending decreased. There are many fashion companies which put pressure on survival of the business. Threat of substitution. Companies who sell clothes at high prices are at risk in the fashion industry. Because of the recession, customers have a wide range of substitutes, such as Primark and Peacocks. Threat of new entry. Setting up a new fashion industry shop is fairly easy if entrants start at the bottom. If the firms in the industry are highly profitable, the industry becomes a magnet to new entrants. System model. Open system model aims to achieve a purpose and gives the business a chance to adapt and to expand and can make changes where it is needed. Feedback is also given that a business knows where they can achieve their targets. It defines the concept of the system where all systems are characterized by assembly or combination of parts whose relations make them independent. As one moves from mechanical to organic, the social systems, the interactions between parts of the system become more complex and variable. Open systems adapt quickly to the environment in which they live by processing variable boundaries through new information and ideas are readily absorbed. By incorporating variable new ideas, an open system ultimately sustains growth and serves its parent environment. Open system process a stronger probability for survival due to adaptability. Conversely, a closed system resisting incorporation of new ideas can be deemed unnecessary to its parent environment and risks waste by not adapting, or imps a closed system ceases to properly serve the environment it lives in.